Been wanting to do this for a long time. Couldn't do it last year because of an avalanche that closed off the trail. So doing it solo. Wish you guys were here. Love you. Four-wheel drive. Elevation 12,840 feet. He was with me. Solo drive up to the top. Now comes the dangerous part, really. The first part's not really all that dangerous. But here comes the dangerous part. Scary. Straight down, sharp turns, sliding rocks. Yeah, scary. I'm nervous. Hairpin turns, I think. This will probably be a 3-point turn, I imagine. Yeah, that was scary. So just to be honest here, I got one more like major, really super tight switchback to do. And yeah, this is the scariest trail I've been on. Honestly, I don't know if I would do this one again. We'll see.